Incest. The universal taboo. One of the only ones you haven't violated.
Well, I'm game if you are.
Violate. Violate.
One of the only ones you haven't violated.
Well, I'm game if you are.
Dan Humphrey, age 17, enjoying an exotic meal of Cheerios on an
Exotic. Exotic.
enjoying an exotic meal of Cheerios on an You don't want me to move back to Vermont, do you?
No, but if your whole future depends on getting this grant for your documentary...
Documentary. Documentary.
Your whole future depends on getting this grant for your documentary...
Well, if you ever wanted to get the perfect shot of me feeling like an outsider...
Outsider. Outsider.
If you ever wanted to get the perfect shot of me feeling like an outsider...
I've already talked to your parents, at least those I could reach, and look forward to reading your personal essays.
Essay. Essay.
And look forward to reading your personal essays. 10. Using alcohol and drugs, where a fellow student almost died.
Fellow. Fellow.
Where a fellow student almost died. I'll also be conducting one-on-one interviews until I discover who broke into the pool and initiated the party.
Initiate. Initiate.
Discover who broke into the pool and initiated the party.
Works.
Look, no one talks, no one gets into trouble. Who did break in anyway? I guess we don't have to worry about Nate cracking under pressure.
So
Crack. Crack.
Don't have to worry about Nate cracking under pressure.
Agreed.
Look, Blair, I know you have your sights set on Yale, but this skull and bone stuff was a bit much, don't you think?
Skull. Skull.
Yale, but this skull and bone stuff was a bit much, don't you think? Every time, it sounds like more than a few times.
Everything's gonna be fine.
Were you just in the same assembly as me?
Do you really?
Assembly. Assembly.
Were you just in the same assembly as me?
Do you really?
There's a weak link in every chain, and it's just a matter of time before this one snaps.
Snap. Snap.
And it's just a matter of time before this one snaps. And it's just a matter of time before this one snaps.
I'm innocent.
Innocent. Innocent.
I'm innocent.
I reviewed your record. It's pristine. If Constance has a shining star, it's Blair Waldorf.
Shine. Shine.
If Constance has a shining star, it's Blair Waldorf.
Who spayed you, man? Blair doesn't even want you. She's been crystal about that since we got back.
Crystal. Crystal.
Even want you. She's been crystal about that since we got back.
Anything else? I regret even leaving the house Saturday.
Yeah, but if you know something that could keep you out of trouble, then you need to cooperate.
I don't. Really, Dad.
Cooperate. Cooperate.
It could keep you out of trouble, then you need to cooperate.
I don't. Really, Dad.
No, she needs that grant money. So, did you bring her legal pad?
Pad, pad,
So, did you bring her legal pad?
Humphrey Dumpty, look, let me clarify something for you. Regardless of who you're currently sleeping with.
Regardless. Regardless.
Regardless of who you're currently sleeping with.
Trust me,
Vanessa,
okay?
please, some space. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Look, I'm all for loyalty.
loyalty, loyalty,
Look, I'm all for loyalty.
Really, a kiss does sort of send the wrong signal. Let's not waste time denying.
You know what? I'm tired of this. Go ahead and tell him.
Really,
tire, tire,
denying.
You know what? I'm tired of this. Go ahead and tell him.
Really.
Who's watching? This is my house. The tape belongs to me.
Actually, this is my footage, and thanks to both the beep, I think I got a new angle on my subject.
Hey, Vanessa.
angle, angle,
Thanks to both the beep, I think I got a new angle on my subject.
Hey, Vanessa.
Now that Sex and Lies have been caught on videotape, V's documentary just became the most anticipated new release of the year.
anticipate, anticipate,
Just became the most anticipated new release of the year.
Punishment part of this meeting, please?
Certainly. But I'm curious. Can you please describe?
curious, curious,
I'm curious. Can you please describe?
Nothing I need. You put that footage in your film, you won't be able to show it. I won't sign a release.
I'm not looking for a distribution deal, just a local arts grant.
distribution, distribution,
Looking for a distribution deal, just a local arts grant.
For a crime he did not commit. And although I appreciate his self-sacrifice, I don't abide.
sacrifice, sacrifice,
And although I appreciate his self-sacrifice, I don't abide. Effective immediately. Mr. Archibald, you know where to find the exit.
exit, exit,
You know where to find the exit.
I was just hiding it for someone else. Wait. That's why you were suspended?
suspend, suspend,
That's why you were suspended?
Please don't tell me you're expelled. Your position at that school is already too precarious. One false move, and you know what? I can't.
false, false,
One false move, and you know what? I can't. Well, I was just gonna go for a little spa trip for the weekend.
Because you're so stressed out from your vacation?
Vacation. Vacation.
Because you're so stressed out from your vacation?
Look, I will not base my personal life on your preferences.
Dan is my
preference, preference,
On your preferences.
Dan is my
It's blank, which I'm sure he'll be thrilled to discover. And about what's on that tape, having observed you in your natural habitat these past few days, Nate seems like one
habitat, habitat,
in your natural habitat these past few days. Nate seems like one.
have a stellar recommendation for Dartmouth from J.L. Hall. It looks as if your dreams are well within your grasp.
Thank you.
grasp, grasp,
It looks as if your dreams are well within your grasp.
Thank you.
How many more?
Oh, no? Who are you now?
Well, my grades are up. My attendance is nearly perfect.
attendance, attendance,
My attendance is nearly perfect. And I...
Closet. You went to my building? You talked to my landlord?
No, I don't speak Ukrainian, but I do speak envelope of cash.
envelope, envelope,
Ukrainian, but I do speak envelope of cash. Anyone, no matter how much I appreciate what you did.
You're welcome, I guess.
Good.
transaction, transaction,
I guess.
Good.
No, I'm not saying anything, believe me.
So you don't buy what she said about me being the poster child for the new honor code?
poster, poster,
Buy what she said about me being the poster child for the new honor code? Buy what she said about me being the poster child for the new honor code? Look, I know for a fact my mom didn't plead my case or donate anything, okay?
donate, donate,
I know for a fact my mom didn't plead my case or donate anything, okay?
Occasion to celebrate the merging of two families, and I couldn't be happier to be here tonight to celebrate Lily's acceptance of my proposal.
acceptance, acceptance,
Be here tonight to celebrate Lily's acceptance of my proposal. For her head. Sorry I can get the charges completely dropped, but at least I got you minimal sentence.
minimal, minimal,
But at least I got you minimal sentence.
Hey.
Aren't you supposed to be at your mom's engagement thing?
engagement, engagement,
Hey.
Aren't you supposed to be at your mom's engagement thing?
And sometimes you have to venture outside your world.
venture, venture,
And sometimes you have to venture outside your world.